Ciao tutti! Welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're making a rustic Italian classic, chicken cacciatore, or hunter's chicken. It's rich, hearty, and perfect for a cozy night in. This recipe is simple and uses everyday ingredients. You'll need 4 to 6 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, 1 onion, 2 bell peppers, I'm using red and green, mushrooms, garlic, some dry red wine, a can of crushed tomatoes, and your essential herbs, rosemary and oregano. Let's get cooking. Step 1 is all about flavor. Pat your chicken pieces very dry. This is the secret to a great sear. Season them heavily with salt and fresh cracked pepper. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium-high heat. Place the chicken, skin side down, in the hot oil. We want a beautiful, crispy golden brown. Let it sear undisturbed for about 5 to 7 minutes. Flip it over for just a minute or two on the other side. Once it's browned, take it out and set it aside. Don't worry, it's not cooked through yet. See those gorgeous brown bits, or fond, at the bottom of the pot? That's pure flavor we're going to scrape up for our sauce. Reduce the heat to medium. Add your sliced onions and bell peppers to the pot. Stir and scrape up all those flavorful bits. Cook them for about 5 minutes until they start to soften. Now, toss in your sliced mushrooms. Once they cook down a bit, stir in your minced garlic, a teaspoon of dried oregano, and, if you like a little kick, a pinch of red pepper flakes. Cook for another 3 minutes until everything is nice and fragrant. Time to deglaze. Pour in about half a cup of dry red wine. Use your wooden spoon to scrape up anything sticking to the bottom. This releases all that deep flavor. Let the wine simmer and reduce for a couple of minutes. Now our sauce base. 1 large can of crushed tomatoes. Add your sprigs of fresh rosemary. It smells incredible already. Give it a stir, taste it, and adjust your salt and pepper. Bring this beautiful sauce to a gentle simmer. Gently nestle your browned chicken pieces back into the sauce. Make sure the skin stays mostly above the liquid so it can retain a little crispness. Cover the pot and reduce the heat to low. Now, the slow cooking begins. Let this simmer, covered, for about 35 to 45 minutes or until the chicken is fork tender and practically falling off the bone. That slow braise is where the magic happens. After 40 minutes, look at that. The chicken is tender, and the sauce is rich. I love to stir in some briny Kalamata olives right at the end, and a generous sprinkle of fresh parsley for brightness. Chicken cacciatore is fantastic served over creamy polenta, simple pasta, or just with a huge chunk of crusty bread to soak up that incredible sauce. Enjoy this taste of Italy. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more classic comfort food. Buon appetito!